Today, I will be showing you how to equip the levitator in Wuthering Waves. First, hold the Tab key on your keyboard to open the Utilities menu. To equip the levitator, press the scroll button on your mouse. If the slot is currently empty, you'll need to fill it first. Click on the levitator, then select Equip. If you want to equip more utilities, simply hover over any empty slot, click on it, choose the utility you want to add, and then click Equip. Once you're done, press Escape to return to the game. To check or switch between your equipped utilities, hold the Tab key again. Hover over the utility you want, then release the Tab key to switch. You'll see at the bottom of the screen that the levitator gadget is now equipped. And that is how to equip the levitator in Wuthering Waves. Thank you for watching.